Alright guys, so I fixed my hair. Also, good morning. I thought I'd vlog today. It's gonna be a little at-home vlog just because I'm not going anywhere probably for the next couple of days because the weather's supposed to get bad. We're supposed to get snow. Do I think we're gonna get it? 50-50 chance. Seems like everywhere else is getting it, so we might get it, but I just got done fixing my hair and now I'm pulling my face back so I can do some skincare. Today's really just gonna be a skincare day, cleaning up day, all that type of jazz. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna take you guys along with me, show you guys all of that. Now I'm gonna brush my teeth, because you gotta brush your teeth. And that's my skincare. Honestly, every day is a little bit different. I use all the same products, but I do it different ways sometimes because like sometimes if the face masks are more hydrating than the other stuff I just use the face mask and skip like one of my other steps on my vitamin C drops that I use. But other than that, that's pretty much it. My hair's fixed. It's not gonna stay like this. It's definitely gonna get poofy, but what can we do? So yeah, I did my skincare. I already made my iced coffee. I got to take my medicine. But yeah, I'll vlog some other stuff. Now I need to fix that. I really need to go through my drawers because I honestly just throw my stuff in there. I need to fold it, but I'm just too lazy. It's just so much easier to just throw it in there instead of folding it. But yeah. Okay, it's definitely better, but it definitely still needs organized and wiped down because I guess I spilled something on it, I'm not sure. But the room is needing a little bit of picked up, like a little bit of cleaning. Not too bad. Also, it's currently 10:52. Still pretty early, but I still need to clean up a little bit because there's some stuff in the kitchen. Like I need to wash a couple dishes. I need to pick up a couple things in there. Nothing serious. I need to hang up the laundry because like I said, our dryer is still messed up. I think we're waiting till the weekend to try to fix it or look for a different one. So I've been doing laundry like every time we get a couple pieces just so I don't have to hang up a whole bunch. But yeah, so I need to get that load out and start hanging it up so it can dry. But other than that, I'm not really doing anything today. Just gonna wait for the snow or rainy weather to pop in. Alright guys, so the spare room is clean. And as, I don't know, I think I showed maybe in one of my videos, but we do have a spare room now. It's not the pet room anymore. We got different setups for the snakes, so they don't have a whole bunch of different tanks. And before you guys say anything, snakes can go in tubs. It holds more humidity. Look into it. But yeah, they just have like a tub set up, so they're all in there, and then the other ones are in the dining room. But this is just this setup, so I'm very excited for when we have guests come over. They can finally have their own room. And yeah, and this is what I just organized a second ago when I was cleaning. My makeup vanity, which needs organized more. Don't look at that. Oh well. But this is the best it's gonna get. I do want to get another like the LX9 drawers and put them somewhere in here. Whatever space I do have, they'll go somewhere just so I can stick a whole bunch of more makeup in. But yeah, this is the room in here. I definitely want to switch it up some more, but we don't have a lot of space, so maybe when we move. Also, I don't know what it is, but I cannot get into my other book. I'm gonna try again. You guys on that.